Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2018 68 plate Mini Countryman Cooper D. Now, in recent years grey has become the most popular colour for vehicles. This one's finished in the stunning Moonwalk grey semi-metallic. So when it's darker it looks like a nice gloss, but when the sunshine hits it you've got that nice metallic fleck in the paintwork. Fantastic styling cues, very sort of off-roadish looking car. So obviously we've got a lot of bright silver detailing, a lot of gloss black detailing as well. Looks fantastic with the contrasting roof and mirror caps. That is actually a factory option. We're riding on these lovely 16-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. They're finished in a lovely sparkle silver and a really nice refined ride quality to those wheels. Then we've got bright silver on the grab handles, on your window surrounds, on your lower side skirt, on the headlamp and tail lamp surrounds, and then coming through to the back, nice lower diffuser, chrome exhaust, Countryman lettering, rear parking sensors, gloss black boot plinth, and then looking through to the rear, we've got split folding rear seats, lots of luggage space, so as you can tell, a nice low deep boot. We've got the parcel shelf with this one as well. Bright silver roof bars, those are in fantastic order. I'd probably say never being used. The roof is in fantastic condition as well. Gloss black detailing within the centre grille. We've got our daytime running lights, and then stepping through to the interior. Inside we've got the firework cloth sport seats, so they're in nice order. Looking at the bolsters, obviously this is where you tend to pick up most of your wear, but inside nice condition, no signs of any sort of stains. Doesn't smell of any sort of, doesn't smell of smoke, doesn't smell like you've had any pets inside. And then jumping in the driver's seat, fit and finish is fantastic on these cars. So we've got a lot of bright silver detailing, lots of gloss black inserts. This one comes with a lovely sort of grey detailing on the dashboard just to match the bodywork. We've got a full leather multifunction steering wheel. So on here is our cruise control and speed limiter. We've got our voice command, Bluetooth phone, all of our volume and media controls. And then again, just going through to condition, the steering wheel is in nice order. So there's no signs of any sort of rubbing away. There's no nicks in the leather from rings and bracelets. We've got our 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, electric mirrors, central locking. We've got automatic lights as well as automatic wipers, so you don't need to worry about those. This is a low mileage example, so it's only covered 29,518 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these lovely diesel engines. Coming through to the center display, another mega factory option. We've got the satellite navigation on this vehicle. So the whole system is very nice and easy to use. It's all controlled via the center scroll wheel and the buttons around it. We've got our electric parking brake there as well. Silky smooth 6-speed manual box. In my opinion, one of the nicest manual gearboxes to go through. We've got our stop start, traction control, automatic. We've got our full climate control and air conditioning. And then coming back through to the screen, on there we've got our navigation, we've got our My Mini connected, notifications, full communication, and then obviously media and radio. So that includes your DAB radio, you've got Bluetooth audio, USB audio. You can adjust the sound, so the bass, the treble, the fader, to exactly the way you want it. But fit and finish inside is nice, very well cared for vehicle. You've got quite a bit of central storage there as well. Quickly just peeking through to the rear seats. We've got Isofix in the bottom for our child seats. 3 seat belts, so seating for 3. but again, no signs of any sort of stains, discoloration, rips or tears. Nice car. I've had the chance to actually drive this for myself. I can tell you it drives absolutely spot on. If you'd like any further information on the car, so if you'd like a personalised video, if you'd like more images, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch and we'll happily book you in. On sales, there's myself, Dominic, there's also my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. I always recommend having a look at our reviews, especially if you're looking to travel the distance. We're a 5-star dealer and auto trader. We've got just under 500 5-star reviews which have been made by verified purchases. If you were to go through to our Facebook page or Instagram page, you'll see the level of stock that we carry here at Alpha Motors. You'll see the numerous awards that we've won over the years, and you'll see happy customers who've travelled the distance to collect their cars. So, thank you for watching the video. Anything further, please do get in touch. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.